Defense attorney Al Binder left the courtroom tonight on his heels the jury due to bad weather. The panel got the case around 5:30 and may have taken an initial vote. If it did, members apparently did not agree because they left without a decision. Locked away inside the empty courtroom, they began looking at the evidence, charts, graphs, scale models, 9 weeks worth. Earlier, they sat for 5 hours in a packed courtroom, listening to the two sides duel with closing arguments. Al Binder taking Williams over to the jury box. This is a pudgy, fat little boy who couldn't kill no one. He displayed his own version of the James Jackson Bridge, supported by state's evidence. Pulling each pillar away, the bridge collapsed, showing the words, reasonable doubt. They would want you to believe, Binder bellowed to the jury, that fiber evidence is a one-way ticket to hell. His defense partner, Jim Kitchens, a former district attorney himself, called this case a prosecution by innuendo and sarcasm. The state, he claimed, has a lot of sand under their case and implored the jury not to take part in the ultimate Atlanta tragedy, a Wayne Williams conviction. The last word was by the prosecution, Assistant DA Jack Mallard calling Williams a mad dog killer who lives in a dream world. I tell you flat out, Mallard proclaimed, this is a strong case. Let's think about the victims, now buried because of the same psychopathic killer. Gordon Miller, the resident fiber expert, said the fibers are so unique, they are a signature of Williams, who could have signed the victims' death certificates himself. And finally, the dean of the courthouse, District Attorney Louis Slaton, comparing the suspect to Idi Amin, Hitler, and Atila the Hun. Wayne Bertram Williams, he said, now joins their ranks as people who try to do away with inferiors. The jury begins deliberating again in the morning to decide if Wayne Williams is in fact a killer or just a victim of circumstance. Ernie Bjorkman, Action News Tonight.